Here we are at the Boulder Cafe, coffee shop. And here we have some visitors. And where are you from?
From France.
France, wow. Fantastic. And you're having avocado toast?
Yeah.
And you are having what, a cheese? Grilled cheese sandwich, fantastic. Petit déjeuner.
Petit déjeuner for the
Oui,
second time.
oui. Oh, the second? Okay. And where's your wine? No, just kidding. So, where are you going today?
The Joshua Tree National Park.
Wow.
Marine Trail.
Okay, so, and you went to Joshua Tree yesterday.
Yeah.
And how are you liking the hotel?
Perfect.
Just perfect. We took a second night yesterday, just after the first night because it was one of our best
And
stays.
we even slept too much.
Well, there you go. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day.
Thank you.